Ah, the frustration in cooking. You're using your gas to cook. All of a sudden, bam, gas finished. How do you guys do it? But as for me, I have a lifesaver. I have a lifesaver. This thing you're saying is my baby. It's my what? My baby. This is my lifesaver. Any day I'm cooking in the night, any time of the day, I'm cooking. And my gas finished. I don't used to panic. I don't used to panic, guys. This is what I use. Carry my charcoal stove. This charcoal stove, it burns like gas. The way it will be hot like oven is just like gas. Once you just light it, the thing catch. Oh yeah, nah, you go just they cook your thing, they go. Okay, yeah, my washing the kitchen is chicken. Oh. I'm washing my meat. I want to prepare something delicious for you guys. I want to prepare something nice for you. So, as God say, go disappoint. Me sef I go disappoint am because for this house na two food we dey cook. You get people wey no dey eat wetin we no dey eat. I no wan talk pass like that. So na two food we dey cook. God say no today oh, you know dey. I on gas off. I on and off. So I decided to come outside. And this the beautiful thing about this charcoal stove is I used to use it indoor. I used to use it indoor, outdoor, anywhere I want to use it, I used to use it. No smoke, nothing like smoke. Nothing like smoke. Once the thing catch like this, nothing like smoke. You cook your food and go. And with just you see the charcoal inside. You see the charcoal that I put inside? That's the only charcoal I used to cook this soup and cook and boil my white rice. I'm telling you people. I did not add any charcoal. That's the charcoal I use. And I even off the remaining one. So this thing, if you don't get them, go get them. Because this thing is a lifesaver. This time with gas, they show everybody shaggy soup. Go get them. Guys, I'm cooking my delicious something. I'm not gonna tell you when I'm waiting and I cook. Please, guys, I want to play with you guys to watch the end. Please watch the end. Please, please, please. Bye. I'll just leave you to enjoy the rest of the video. Mwah.
Aniti daolio unintiena kamuna baga enjonati nadalua nekade every day hasoni nano every jano every jidano kadana tabana igao Yenu menu latiena Evenolani isu ikwene Inutiena anukabi Inu jana dawo Yemi vedi isu di kweda Anuwana ami kwami Ejiviandwa Asaduabi Esimianu kome Ele unitina lueta hava Chigola nukadikeme Enjani